African-American.
Pope Leo XIV has appointed the Archbishop of San Francisco, Salvatore Cordileone, to the Supreme Tribunal of the Apostolic Signatura, the Vatican's highest judicial body. The appointment puts a prominent American bishop in an important Vatican role, but it also raises questions about Pope Leo's vision for the Church. Charles Collins, who worked at the Tribunal office in the late 1990s, says the designation is simpler than it seems.
It's interesting because he used to work there before he became a bishop. He was there for 5 years in the late 1990s, early 2000s, which means he knows what the job is. He doesn't have to learn anything. He's a canon lawyer, and that's good. I think sometimes people in America might look at it and think that it's like the Supreme Court is in the United States. It's not. It's a very legal job.
Cordileone is considered one of the more conservative bishops in the United States. This has led to speculation on whether Pope Leo is sending a broader message.
The main reason is because he is an American archbishop and he has experience at the Vatican and in Vatican law. I think that's the most important thing. But of course, yes, he does have theological views. He is considered one of the more conservative archbishops in the United States. And if that's a signal from Pope Leo, then he's made a big signal.
Still, Collins says the appointment should not automatically be read as a political endorsement, especially since he has made 7 appointments in total, only 2 of whom were Americans.
Appointing this archbishop to the role shows that he is at least open to the conservative views in the United States. It doesn't mean he's endorsing them, but it means he's not pushing them away from him.
That distinction is particularly important. On numerous occasions, Pope Leo has been asked how his US background will shape his papacy. For Collins, it's clear that Leo XIV does not want to be defined as America's Pope.
Pope Leo has stated that he does not want people thinking of him as an American Pope. He wants to be the Pope to the world.
That makes interpreting his appointments more complicated. As Pope Leo himself points out, journalists don't always get it right.
My face is very expressive, but I'm oftentimes amused by how the journalists interpret my face. Serious, I mean, it's interesting. Sometimes I get, like really great ideas from all of you because you think you can read my mind or my face. And you're not always correct.
Even Collins, with his years of experience inside the Vatican, is still trying to find the sense.
I worked at the Vatican for 15 years. I worked at the Tribunal for 5 years. I've been in Vatican, I left, started working for Crux. I think I know what's going on in general, and I'll be the first person to admit, I'm not sure what's going on right now.
The appointment of Archbishop Cordileone may offer clues about Leo XIV's priorities, or it may reveal more about our eagerness to interpret the new Pope than the Pope himself.